When we think of dangerous animals, tigers, lions, bears, etc. most often come to mind. We almost never think of herbivores as killers. The list presented below should dispel this false idea. 10. Gelada. This kind of unusual monkey is quite amazing. Their usual habitat is Ethiopia, where grass is their main food. Despite the fact that gelids are quite friendly and peaceful, they have a terrible weapon, a set of teeth. Attacks of this species on humans have been extremely rare in nature, but their aggressive behavior in the zoo is alarming. 9. American bison. According to statistics, bison kill many more people than wolves or bears. According to statistics, bison kill many more people than wolves or bears. 8. The gorilla. Despite the fact that the gorilla is the closest relative of humans, after chimpanzees, still, the difference between this herbivore and humans is obvious. Males are always leaders. Their weight varies within 200 kilograms, there is, of course, more, but rarely. Their strength is equal to that of approximately 10 men. 7. Cassowary. It is one of the largest bird species in the world. Their usual habitat is the rainforests of New Guinea and Australia. The cassowary uses a comb on its head to communicate with other birds of its own species, which allows it to receive very low frequencies, so that communication between birds can be maintained over a long distance. They are quite dangerous herbivores and attack not only horses, cows and dogs, but also people. Males who protect their chicks are the most dangerous. 6. The rhino. There are 5 different types of rhinos in the world that live in Asia and Africa. These herbivores are very hot-tempered, which is why they are dangerous. The main and dangerous weapon of the rhinoceros are horns, consisting of protein, and not, as many mistakenly believe, bone tissue. The largest known horn was 1.5 meters long. Due to its aggressive nature and large weight, the rhino can gore or trample to death. A special feature of the Indian rhinoceros is that it uses sharp teeth as a weapon in addition to the horn. 5. Wild boar. Wild boars are only partially vegetarian, as their diet also includes small animals, frogs, lizards. The weight of males can reach 300 kilograms. They can easily open a predator thanks to their large, sharp fangs. If the male is already old enough, he is able to fend off a pack of wolves alone. The size of the canines in females is smaller and the greatest danger is, like many other animals, when they protect their young. 4. African buffalo. The African buffalo has a deadly weapon. Their sharp horns and heavy hoofs can kill in a short time. Buffaloes differ from many animals in that they will always return and come to the aid of their own. There were even a few cases where they drove away and killed lions to protect their herd. In the event of an attack on a herd of buffalo, everyone can notice their distinctive feature of mutual assistance. 3. The elephant. Most people are used to considering these animals quite peaceful and friendly, but this opinion is erroneous, since they are very dangerous wild animals. Elephants are unstoppable because of their impressive size and power. As a rule, they will attack in the following cases: they are in a bad mood, the baby elephants are in danger, or in case of encroachment on their space. They are able to attack both lions and rhinos, and in general, any other animal that poses a threat. Humans are no exception. Even in circuses and zoos, males are rarely kept, as they pose the greatest danger due to the fact that hormone levels can increase, turning the elephant into a deadly weapon. It is one of the longest-lived animals on Earth. 2. White-bearded bakers. In these animals, the mouth can be partly compared with scissors, since the sharp canines when closing the mouth are on top of each other. They live in fairly large herds, the number of one can reach up to 1,000 individuals. If one animal from the herd is attacked or killed, the enemy will be attacked by all animals. Predators do not attack the entire herd, they prefer to hunt young or stray peccaries. 1. Behemoth. These territorial herbivores can be considered the most dangerous in Africa, as they kill a large number of people every year. According to statistics, lions, crocodiles and even leopards have far fewer human victims than hippos. Males can weigh more than 3 tons. They are able to attack not only in the water, overturning various boats, but also on land. They act quite quickly. They are able to attack not only in the water, overturning various boats, but also on land they act quite quickly. Their dangerous weapons are the jaw and long fangs, which can easily bite a crocodile in half.